Hi everyone, let's see what are the messages for you. Do like and subscribe to my channel. One card has fallen. We have Five of Wands. Fights from last 5 hours, 5 days. A lot of fights are happening between you and your person. You both aren't listening to each other. Misunderstandings, miscommunication. The person you are with is not paying attention to what you want to say, what you are feeling. We have the Wheel of Fortune. Things are going to change, the situation will change, but you both have to understand each other. You both have to I also feel something to do with journaling. Maybe you should write to them whatever you feel, and maybe they are busy with work, so that might calm them down. 5, 10 are important numbers. Multiples of 5. To calm your mind, you should journal, write it down, burn it out, or if you do art, something to do with art, that would help you, bring in calmness. 8 of Cups. See, you both have love, you both love each other, you both care for each other, there's so much emotions for each other, but you both are fighting in fights. You are mentioning that you both will walk away from each other. The misunderstanding has grown a lot. It's like you do not want to, but the situation is making you walk away. Maybe you are in no contact from the last 5 days, or even if you're talking to each other, there, it's like not an emotional talk, it's just fights. Queen of Cups. You want to feel loved, you want to feel the same care and love again. The person used to take care of you, the person used to do everything for you, and you're missing that so much right now. 8 is important as a number. The Magician. See, things will change. Manifest the love again. Do not overthink it. Do not have negative thoughts. 13 and 4 are important numbers. Do not also be very rebellious, like stubborn, that no, I won't do it, or I won't communicate. If you feel that the opposite person is in pressure, or the opposite person is having a lot of things in hand, do not I would say, you know do not be stubborn. Yes, that's the right word, I feel. But yes, the Magician is a proof that things are going to manifest.